Hello, this is Mr. Roos again. This video I'm going to show you is going to be more for the teacher who is going to be given the lesson. This tool is in what they call the presentation mode. It's going to show the student how the puzzle will actually go together. So now, the last video we did, we assembled our cube. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do something called a IPN, which is an inventor presentation. So what we're going to do is I'm going to insert a model, and it kind of came up with a prompt to screen because it knows I need to bring in something to actually make this presentation. So here's our assembly we just did, and I'm going to bring that in. So in this, I'm going to go to Tools, and I'm sorry, not Tools, Presentation, and we're going to work with a tool called Component, and we're going to tweak components. Tweaking basically means, pulling the tools apart. It's very simple for this project in the sense that all we're going to do is tweak each component off of, basically we're going to be pulling it off the cube. So what I want to do is I'm going to choose the face of one part, and then I'm going to basically pull it up. Nope. And I'm going to say how many inches. I'll say 5. And I'll tweak each of the components. And I want to choose not the whole thing. So I'll choose the arrows. I'll say 5 again. I actually want to undo that because I want to go in the other direction. So click on the arrow. I'm going to say -5. And I'll continue to pull parts off in this fashion. So I'll tweak component. I'm going to go out this way. We'll say -5 again. I'll tweak this component right here. Out -5. Oh, sorry, not negative. I'm going 5 this time. And the yellow one can stay where it is. Now we have the part fully pulled apart, and we can, once it's done, we can watch a video of our part going together. Okay, so now that our pieces are fully pulled apart, we can basically watch a video of this thing coming together. So down here it has like a storyline in which I just did that whole assembly or the presentation. So if I pull this all the way back, you can watch it go back together in slow motion. Can come to 0, and I can actually watch this as a video. Every student will be different because every puzzle will be different. This is very important for a presentation. It's a step that's not necessary for the learner to do, but it just definitely helps become a more concrete understanding of the design and the process of the project. The next video I'm going to do for you is I'm going to be converting each piece of the puzzle into what they call an SLT file. An SLT file is the file type that's necessary to be put into the 3D printer. The video has no sound because I had to do it on a different computer and it didn't have a microphone. So if you just follow along, it will probably be more important for the teacher to learn it and then display it to the student, or the kids can watch the video. But it's important that every part is put into an SLT if you want to print it. Alright. I hope this helps you in the classroom.